name is Ken Dominic Shina. I'm from the Philippines and I'm taking a commercial course in kitchen management. I chose Lead College for my study due to general compelling reasons that align with my academic and career aspirations. Lead College is well known as strong reputations, like ensuring that the education provided is of high quality and recognized in the industry. My experience at Lead College has been incredibly. It's fulfilling because the Lead College provided well-rounded education that I need, not only dependent my knowledge in my field of study, but also equip me with practical skills that are directly applicable in the workplace. The best part about studying at Lead College, from very beginning, the courses are designed to not only teach theory but also to provide real-world applications. The combinations of practical learning, supportive faculty, and a collaborative environment has made my time at Lead College incredibly rewarding. Yes, because Lead College met my expectation based on what I need to learn from the college, and I can relate to my workplace, that I can use it, and yeah, I'm happy to say that. Yes, I would recommend Lead College because based on my experience, the trainers and the staff, they are supportive and help you to achieve your academics and career goals.